Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use Google Lens on Chrome desktop. So this is a Chrome desktop. I have just opened this Google Chrome on my desktop. Now you can search for anything. For example, I'm going to search for David Beckham. Here it is. So I'm going to search for David Beckham. So here is David Beckham, the one of the greatest footballer. Now, for example, the this this image here. So for example, if you want to know about that jersey that it is unfamiliar, if you look like unfamiliar and you want to gather some more information about the jersey or anything at that image, or if you want to gather information source and what it's mean, everything about that by only image, then Google Lens comes to that point. So Google Lens is a pretty much cool feature that actually help you to get or gather information about the source of that image and about the products and the everything according to that. So you can use images to search on Google Chrome by this Google Lens here. So in images, in image section, in every images, you can find this icon here which represent the Google Lens. So you can simply click on that and it will just capture that image. So you can search for a particular thing, like I want to get this jersey. So and I want to gather the information about the jersey here. So here it is. So I have searched for the jersey. So if I just select this particular space here, you can see it has just given me the jersey details and also the eBay link here where I can buy this jersey and all of this jersey image and the previews about this jersey. And you can go to that you can go here, you can see David Beckham's career. So it has already inputted some details, a whole article according to that jersey with David Beckham. So that's how you can get all the information from here. Or otherwise, for example, there is no this icon you can find. If you can find this icon here, don't worry, you can simply click on this three dot button here, just because of here you will find this search with Google Lens. Google Lens is actually inbuilt feature in Google Chrome browser, so you can simply click on search with Google Lens. Now you have to give the permission here. Now you can find a plus cursor here to select particular or specific sections that you want. So just like this, or you can select it. So I have just selected accidentally, so I'm going to click on escape button here to disable the lens here. Now here you can see select anything to search with Google Lens. So now I want to search this football. So what about this football? If you click search select this football, so you will get all the details and information about football, when it has used, where who has played with that, when was it used, or when was it played. And you can also get some PNG file of that football and the name and the duration, the date about this football also. So that's how you can actually search individual section or whole image, and get the information from here. So you can click on the blank side to search to exit from the Google Lens. Now for example, YouTube. So if you want YouTube, so I'm on YouTube right now. So just like this, if you are on YouTube, so this image actually, so where he just get this image, so what that image means, or this image here, so I can just search for that image here. So search with Google Lens here. So I'm going to search for this image where he did this creator did get this image. So from here you can see I have just selected this image here. So here you can see it has just showed me every image that related to this image here. Actually this is a self-made image, that's why you can find that image here just like this. But there's one thing that you can get this, you can get all the images, all the videos from different creators related to this thumbnail here. So this is pretty much cool, right? And again, I'm going to search for I'm going to visit it, and I'm going to disable it. I'm going to search for this image here, where he did get this image here, and what is the source. Here you can see the source is here, and you can find the topic according to that, and actually the characters and the image style. From here you can find different types of style that actually this image has or the thumbnail has. So that's pretty much cool right now. So hope you got this, and that's the full way how you can you can increase your productivity by using Google Lens. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.